Hey there, YouTubers, it's your girl MC. I am back! Alright, so I'm gonna do a fall makeup look today. And let's get to it. I'm starting off, of course, with my Avon Magix Prime. SPS of 20. So it's pretty much a face protector. This is my base that I always use for my face. Hope you guys have been doing well. I've been gone for a little bit, but this is a base that I love, and it helps to tone down my shine a lot. Let's see. Next I'm gonna conceal some spots. And I'm going to conceal the spots with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. See, I have some spots here on my face from previous breakouts, and I just have not toned them out yet. Working on them. They're a little stubborn. And yeah, I kind of just go around my whole face slightly with the concealer. I use the color Espresso. It is so like nice on my skin. It matches my skin. All right. So I got my spots covered. Check. I'm gonna do my eyebrows next. I'm going to use my pencil, eyeliner pencil, in the color Simmer Brown, just a plain dark brown. Making my outline. I kind of go right around my actual eyebrows because I get them trimmed down very thin. Now I'm using my LA Girl Auto Eyeliner Pencil in the color brown, and I'm gonna just fill my lines up here. What I like about this process with the pencil, well, actually with anything, it's like it doesn't matter if I mess up here, because I will simply be able to clean it up with my concealer. So that's the whole secret to the whole thing, or the whole magic of the whole process for eyebrows. Alright, I got that filled in pretty good. So now I'm going to grab my LA Girl Pro Concealer again. The color Espresso that matches my skin, I'm going to put it at the top of my eyebrow, and then I'm going to use the same concealer in a lighter color, which is Toffee, like a shade or two brighter than my complexion, and I'm going to use this color here at the bottom of my brow. I didn't like using the brush that came with the product beforehand, but I kind of forced myself to start using it because I was like in a situation where I didn't have a brush. or a separate brush, and I had no choice but to go for it. So here we go. Toodaloo. And now I'm going to do the top with my espresso. I try not to talk too much when I do this because you see this one is more rounded than this one. Let me see if I can get this one just like that. Although they don't have to be exactly identical, but they should be pretty close. They shouldn't be twins. If they're sisters and they just look alike, that's what we want. Alright, so now I'm going to just blend out the concealer above and underneath. And I'm going to drag this product here to the top of my eyelid. In between my brows. And then for the inner brows, I just put too much on there. That should be looking a lot more natural. Just gonna go ahead and just blend that out a little. See, it doesn't, I just don't want a harsh finish line. And these eyebrows, different. This one goes like this, and this one goes like this. But we're gonna roll with it. We're gonna keep moving. All right. So now I'm gonna do foundation. Is my CoverGirl True Blend Matte Finish Foundation. I'm getting ready to go to the MAC store, and I think I'm gonna change my foundation. So I'm using that. I could use a brush too, or I can use this. Which should I use? I'm gonna use my brush. Beauty girl, that's you. So to all my beautiful women out there, and all of you ladies too who may not think that you're beautiful, you are beautiful if nobody's told you. You are beautiful. You just gotta know it. And then once you know it, you'll be able to show it. There's a gnat in here. So let's see, what's next? I'm going to conceal under my eyes. With my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. And this is the ones that this is what I use for under my eyes to brighten up my eyes. The only thing I don't like about this is when you squeeze it, you get a whole full squeeze. You can't do like half a squeeze because I just want a little bit, not the whole squeeze. I'm trying so hard to just do half, and then so much of it comes out because you don't need so much of this. This one, it works well in the sense that a little goes a long way. Hey, baby.
Sorry, baby.
Hey.
I just wanted to tell you that the salad stuff is really good.
Oh, yeah. They are pretty cool. I love it when I get them on clearance at Kroger.
Yeah, how much are they?
Regular price is like $3.19. But like when they're on clearance, it's like $1 something. $1.79 maybe.
Yeah, I actually like this one a lot.
Alright.
I almost was able to put all the salad in here, but then I was like, damn, I can't put it all in here.
Oh yeah, I usually use it in two servings.
Yeah, but stuff in here.
Huh?
But you only get one of, I wish it had two
Of the salad dressing?
Yeah, and the croutons and the cheese is really good. I like it a lot.
Yeah. Okay, good.
Yeah, I don't mind that.
Okay. Whenever I find them on clearance, I'll definitely make sure I get them.
What's the video about?
Oh, I'm recording right now. It's makeup. You know I do the whole thing. I do makeup, hair, and all that stuff, so.
Yeah.
Alright, baby.
I like it.
Alright, love you too.
Alright.
Alright, bye. That was my husband telling me like the salad. I got him a salad kit. So that's my concealer there. Gonna let that sit there. And so now I'm going to contour. So the way that I contour is the same way that I've been contouring from when I learned to contour. I use pressed powder for my contour. Okay, so I got my Black Radiance pressed powder in the color Ebony, and this is what I'm going to use for my contouring. I think it gives it the perfect shade. If I come down too low, I just come back through with that, but I'm gonna still blend that in because I have had a bad contour job before, and I took a picture with a celebrity, and I was like, so many interruptions, but I was like, never again. If you guys want to go see that picture, it's on Instagram. By the way, you can follow me on Instagram. I'll put my Instagram name right here on the screen. I would love to have you follow me on this journey of mine, this journey in which I learn to be me. I'm always getting makeup on my camera. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna get my brush that I use for my contour, and I'm going to just blend. So yeah, I've gotten a little better with my contour. How's that? Pretty good. And so with my concealer sponge, again, I'm not adding anything to it. I'm gonna just come right here underneath my concealer without getting too like harsh straight line, but I'm gonna come under. All right, we got that done.